To install CentOS, a member of the Fedora family version of Linux, you need to insert the CentOS installation CD/DVD or connect the CentOS installation USB to the system. Start the machine and boot from the CD or the USB, whichever you are using. Select Install or Upgrade an existing system and press Enter. Select Skip in the Disk Found prompt and press Enter. The prompt box appears to check for installation of media. Click Next. Select English and click Next. Select default keyboard layout as US English and click Next. Select Basic Storage Devices and click Next. Click Yes, discard any data in the Storage Device warning box. Enter the host name and click Next. Select the required time zone from the selected city list and click Next. Type the password in the root password. Re-enter the same password in the Confirm box and click Next. This now allows you to select the partitioning setup. Select Use All Space and click Next to delete old partitions and create a new default partition setup. If you want to create a custom layout, select Create Custom Layout. Click Write Changes to Disk from the Writing Storage Configuration to Disk message box. This message box appears to confirm the installation of the bootloader. To select the installation type, select Desktop and click Next to start the installation process. You can select a different set of software from the list. Click Reboot to restart the system. Note that after the system is restarted, you need to provide basic information to proceed further. The installation is complete.